First steps are hard when your legs are this tiny, but look at that determination. A wobble, a pause, and another brave step. There's a whole world waiting just past the end of the rug. Oops, almost down but not giving up. And there it is, standing.
Here goes.
Get it, Whiskers.
Oh, he missed.
Oh no. That landing.
He looks so confused.
Okay, buddy.
Watch this! Careful, he's fast.
Kitty Zoo! Whoa!
He stole it! Rematch, Kitty.
Ding ding!
He's dodging us.
Hi there, kitty.
Is it lost?
It's okay, you can come in. Wow, he's so fluffy. Feel how warm his ears are. Hey, buddy, he likes the couch. Think we should make him a bed? Yeah, he can stay. Oh! Got it, Noodle. Get the ball. Hey, it's okay, buddy. Don't be mad. Here, you can play too.
Straight ahead.
Got it, let's move. Hey there, buddy. You're okay, I've got you.
Easy. That's it. You're almost free.
A warm blanket coming around you. You're safe now. Good kitty. Let's get you home.